Next topic, solving equations having the variables on both sides. In the exercise 1, we discussed one side variable and another side is a constant. In that case, we can solve by using of the addition or using of the subtraction division suitable. Okay. In this case, we can take the equation, that equation has both sides x variables and constants. In that case, the same method, what is the right hand side, the x variable is there, that variable can be subtracted on the both sides. If it has the positive sign, then we can subtract. If it has negative sign, we can add it. Okay. And the same thing, the constant is there, then both sides we can take the same constant with the opposite sign. That depends on the given problem. Suppose for example, I am taking one problem, 2x minus 3 equal to x plus 2. Solve. In this, left hand side means equality. Left side, the terms are called as left hand side terms. The right side, equality right side, are called as the right hand side. Here left hand side 2x is there, right hand side x is there. So both sides having x variable as well as constants. In that case, the right hand side we can eliminate the x value or x term. Here right hand side plus x is there. In this case, we can subtract x on both sides. So 2x minus 3 minus x equal to x plus 2 minus x, that is equal to 2. Okay. Here 2x minus x means x minus 3 equal to 2. In the same way, left hand side we can eliminate the constant. Here minus 3 is there, we can add both sides. Plus 3, add 3 on both sides. That is x minus 3 plus 3 is 0, 2 plus 3, it is equal to 5. So x equal to 5. This is the suitable subtraction, addition, division, multiplication. What is the suitable is there, we can do that one. The same equation can be solving by the transpose method. How it is means, 2x minus 3 equal to x plus 2. We can transpose means x terms taking to one side, constant terms taking to another side. If x is in the right hand side means taking to left hand side, it becomes, the sign will change. So here 2x, here right hand side plus x is there, plus x taking to left side, then it becomes minus x. And this minus 3 is taking to right side, then that becomes the plus 3. So 2x minus x is x equal to 2 plus 3 is a 5. It is the shortcut method, that is the transpose method. Or other method is, first we can eliminate the x term, then we can eliminate the other side of the constant term. In both cases we get the same answer. Solve 5x plus 7 by 2 equal to 3 by 2 x minus 14. Okay. In this case, first the whole equation, the left hand side, right hand side, both sides having the x and constant terms, but in the x coefficient is in the fraction form. Here left hand side the constant is in fraction form. The two fraction forms of the numbers having the 2 is the denominator. First we can simplify of that. The given equation is equation 1. So the above equation multiply with 2 on both sides. So 2 into 5x plus 7 by 2 equal to 2 into 3 by 2 x minus 14. Distribute 2 5s are 10x plus 2 into 7 by 2 equal to 2 into 3 by 2 x minus 2 14s are 28. Here 2 ones are get cancelled. Here 2 ones are get cancelled. It is 10x plus 7 equal to 3x minus 28. First we can eliminate the right hand side x term. In that purpose we can subtract 3x on both sides. So what is the right hand side term? 3x. So subtract 3x on both sides. So 10x plus 7 minus 3x equal to 3x minus 28 minus 3x. Minus 3x plus 3x, it will becomes 0. Okay. Then 10x minus 3x is 7x equal to 7x plus 7 equal to minus 28. Then here left hand side we can eliminate the constant. In that purpose we can add with minus 7 or subtract 7 on both sides. So 7x plus 7 minus 7 equal to minus 28 minus 7. Here plus 7 minus 7 get cancelled. 7x equal to, it's minus 35. Then the above expression is divide with 7 on both sides. So 7x by 7 equal to minus 35 by 7. 7 ones are 7 ones are 7 ones are 7 fives are. Therefore x equal to minus 5. Exercise 2.3, solve the following equations and check your results. The first question, 3x equal to 2x plus 18. Second one is 5t minus 3 equal to 3t minus 5. Third one, 5x plus 9 equal to 5 plus 3x. Here the first solution, the right hand side x term is 2x. So what we can do, the given expression or the given equation, it's not expression, it is the equation. The given equation is 3x equal to 2x plus 18. The right hand side 2x is there. So 2x has positive, so we can subtract 2x on both sides. Then we can take 3x minus 2x equal to 2x plus 18 minus 2x. Plus 2x minus 2x becomes 0. 3x minus 2x is x equal to 18. So x equal to 18, and check your result means verification. How we can verify means, we can substitute in the place of x equal to 18, we get right hand side, left hand side values are same. LHS equal to, that is left hand side term is 3x, that is 3 into 18. 3 8s are 24 to 54, 18 3s are 54. And right hand side is equal to 2x plus 18 equal to 2 into 18 plus 18. 2 18s are 36 plus 18, it is equal to 54. The both values are same, left hand side value and right hand side value. Therefore verified, LHS is equal to 54 equal to RHS. So it's verified or verified. Second question, 5t minus 3, 5t minus 3 equal to 3t minus 5. So here the right hand side 3t is there, so subtract 3t on both sides. So 5t minus 3 minus 3t equal to 3t minus 5 minus 3t plus 3t minus 3t, it becomes 0. Its constant is minus 5. 5t minus 3t is 2t minus 3. The left hand side constant is there, so it has negative, means add 3 on both sides. What constant is there? Just that constant is adding with the negative sign. So here minus is there, here we are taking the plus. So 2t minus 3 plus 3 equal to minus 5 plus 3. Minus 3 plus 3, it becomes 0. So 2t equal to minus 2. Then again divide with 2 on both sides. So 2t by 2 equal to minus 2 upon 2. 2 ones are 2 ones are. Here 2 ones are 2 minus ones are. It is t equal to minus 1 is the solution. Just verification. Verification is here 5 into minus 1 minus 3 equal to 3 into minus 1 minus 5. So minus 5 minus 3 equal to minus 3 minus 5. Minus 8 equal to minus 8. If both sides we get equal value, then it's verified. Third question. 5x plus 9 equal to 5 plus 3x. In this case, the right hand side x term is 3x, so we can take subtract 3x on both sides. So 5x plus 9 minus 3x equal to plus 3x minus 3x get cancelled, the value is 5. Then 5x minus 3x is 2x plus 9 equal to 5. Again subtract the constant on both sides. The left side constant is 9, so subtract 9 on both sides. So 2x equal to 5 minus 9. It is minus 4 equal to 2x. Now we divide on both sides 2 with 2. So 2x upon 2 equal to minus 4 upon 2. 2 ones are 2 ones are 2 ones are 2 minus 2s are. From this x equal to minus 2. Verify. Verification. The verification means 5 into minus 2 plus 9 equal to 5 plus 3 into minus 2. 5 2s are minus 10 plus 9 equal to 5 plus into minus minus 3 2s are 6. Minus 10 plus 9, the opposite signs. So we subtract minus 1. Here also minus 1. So left hand side and right hand side values are same. When we can substitute the value of the x. Fourth question. 4z plus 3 equal to 6 plus 2z. Fifth question. 2x minus 1 equal to 14 minus x. Sixth one. 8x plus 4 equal to 3 into x minus 1 plus 7. Here solving of the fourth question. The fourth one, the given equation is 4z plus 3 equal to 6 plus 2z. Both sides having the z variable and constant. So first we can eliminate the z variable. The right hand side 2z is there, so we can take the same term with the negative sign, that is nothing but subtract 2z on both sides. So 4z plus 3 minus 2z plus 2z minus 2z get cancelled. We are getting only constant term. 4z minus 2z is 2z plus 3 equal to 6. Again left hand side the constant term is plus 3. So we can subtract 3 on both sides. So 2z equal to 6 minus 3, it is equal to 3. Z is equal to, or divide with 2 on both sides. 2z by z equal to 3 by 2. 2z by 2 equal to 3 by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2. So from this z equal to 3 by 2. In this also again we can check the verification. Verification is 4 into 3 by 2 plus 6 equal to, left hand side 3 equal to 6 plus 2 into 3 by 2. 2 ones are 2 ones are, here 2 ones are 2 twos are. 2 threes are 6 plus 3 equal to 6 plus 3. From this 9 equal to 9. So verified. Fifth question. 2x minus 1 equal to 14 minus x. First, add x on both sides. So 2x minus 1 plus x equal to 14. 3x minus 1 equal to 14. Next, add 1 on both sides. Why? Because negative signs are there. So we can take the positive sign. Add 3x minus 1 plus 1 equal to 14 plus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 cancel. 3x equal to 15. Now divide with 3 on both sides. 3x upon 3 equal to 15 upon 3. 3 ones are 3 ones are, 3 ones are 3 fives are. So the x value is 5. Verification. Two into 5 minus 1 equal to 14 minus 5. 10 minus 1 equal to 14 minus 5 is 9. 9 equal to 9. So it's verified. Sixth question. 8x plus 4 equal to 3 into x minus 1 plus 7. Here first we can simplify. 8x plus 4 equal to, by the distribution law, 3 into x, 3x minus 3 into 1 minus 3 plus 7. Minus 3 plus 7 it becomes plus 4. 3x plus 4 equal to 8x plus 4. Now we can take the right hand side x term. So it has positive. Then subtract with 3x on both sides. 8x plus 4 minus 3x plus 3x minus 3x cancel. We get the constant 4. Here 8x minus 3x is 5x plus 4 equal to 4. Left hand side constant we can eliminate. So it has positive. Then subtract 4 on both sides. Plus 4 minus 4 get cancelled. So 5x equal to 4 minus 4, it becomes 0. Divide 5 on both sides. Then 5x upon 5 equal to 0 upon 5. 0 by something is 0. So 5 ones are 5 ones are. The x value is 0. Again verify. Verification. Verification means first we can take the expression, that is 8x plus 4 equal to 3 into x minus 1 plus 7. In the place of x we can take the 0. So 8 into 0 plus 4 equal to 3 into 0 minus 1 plus 7. 8 into 0, 0 into something is 0 plus 4 equal to 0 minus 1 is it's minus 1 plus 7. 3 into minus 1 equal to minus 3 plus 7. It is equal to 4. 0 plus 4 is 4. Both values are same, left hand side, right hand side. So it's verified. Seventh problem. X equal to 4 by 5 into x plus 10. Eighth one, 2x by 3 plus 1 equal to 7x by 15 plus 3. Ninth one, 2y plus 5 by 3 equal to 26 by 3 minus y. 10th one, 3m equal to 5m minus 8 by 3, 8 by 5. So seventh solution. Here given equation is x equal to 4 by 5 into x plus 10. Here the right hand side having the fractional, it has denominator is 5. So multiply, the whole equation is multiply with 5 on both sides. 5 into x equal to 5 into 4 by 5 into x plus 10. 5 ones are 5 ones are cancel. 5 into x is 5x equal to 1 into 4 is 4. So again using the distributive, 4 into x is 4x plus 4 into 10 is 40. The right hand side x term is eliminated by adding or subtracting. It has the positive sign, so we can take the subtract 4x on both sides. So 5x minus 4x equal to 40. 5x minus 4x is x equal to 40. Again verify. Verification. Verification is 40 equal to 4 by 5 into 40 plus 10. It's 40 equal to 4 by 5 into 40 plus 10 is 50. 5 ones are 5 tens are. 40 equal to 4 tens are 40. Verified. Eighth problem. Two x by 3 plus 1 equal to 7x by 15 plus 3. Here both sides fractional terms are there. In that the highest denominator is 15, so we can multiply with the 15 only. Here 3 and 15 is there, so we can take the highest only, multiply 15 on both sides. So 15 into 2x upon 3 plus 1 equal to 15 into 7x upon 15 plus 3. Now we can distribute 15 into 2x by 3 plus 15 ones are 15 equal to 15 into 7x by 15 plus 15 3s are 45. 15 ones are 15 ones are 3 ones are 3 5s are. Now multiply 5 2s are 10x plus 15 equal to 7x plus 45. Here right hand side 7x is there, so subtract 7x on both sides. 10x plus 15 minus 7x equal to 45. 10x minus 7x is 3x plus 15 equal to 45. Then subtract 15 on both sides. Why? Because the left hand side constant is 15. So 3x plus 15 minus 15 equal to 45 minus 15. So 3x equal to 30. Divide with 3 on both sides. So 3x upon 3 equal to 30 upon 3. 3 ones are 3 ones are 3 ones are 3 tens are. From this x equal to 10. Again taking the verification. The verification means in the place of x we can write the 10. 2 into 10 by 3 plus 1 equal to 7 into 10 by 15 plus 3. 2 tens are 20 upon 3 plus 1 equal to 70 upon 15 plus 3. Taking the LCM, 20 plus 3 by 3 equal to 70 plus 3 15s are 45 by 15. 23 by 3 equal to 115 by 15. 5 3s are 15. 5 2s are 5 3s are. So both are same, left hand side, right hand side. 23 by 3 equal to 23 by 3. So it's verified. Next problem. 9th. 2y plus 5 by 3 equal to 26 by 3 minus y. In this also the terms in the fraction, the denominator value is 3. So first of all we multiply with 3. On both sides. So 3 into 2y plus 5 by 3 equal to 3 into 26 by 3 minus y. Distribute 3 2s are 6y plus 3 into 5 by 3 equal to 3 into 26 by 3 minus 3 into y 3y. 3 ones are 3 ones are, here 3 ones are 3 ones are. 6y plus 5 equal to 26 minus 3y. Here right hand side minus 3y is there, so we can take the add 3y on both sides. So 6y plus 5 plus 3y equal to 26. 9y plus 5 equal to 26. Then subtract 5 on both sides. 9y equal to 26 minus 5. 9y equal to 21. Divide with 9 on both sides. Y equal to 21 by 9. 3 3s are 3 7s are 7 by 3. So y value is 7 by 3. Verification. 2y plus 5 by 3 equal to 26 by 3 minus y. Here in the place of y, taking 7 by 3, 2 into 7 by 3 plus 5 by 3 equal to 26 by 3 minus 7 by 3. 2 sevens are 14 by 3 plus 5 by 3 equal to, taking LCM, 3 in 26 minus 7. It is 19 by 3 equal to 19 by 3. It's verified. 10th one, 3m equal to 5m minus 8 upon 5. Okay, here first multiply with 5 on both sides. 5 into 3m equal to 5 into 5m minus 8 by 5. 5 3s are 15m equal to 5 5s are 25m minus 5 into 8 by 5. 5 1s are 5 1s are. Here 15m equal to 25m minus 8. Subtract 15 on both sides. 15m on both sides. So 15m minus 15m equal to 25m minus 8 minus 15m. 0 equal to 10m minus 8. Add 8 on both sides. 8 equal to 10m. Divide 10 on both sides. 8 by 10 equal to 10m by 10. 10 1s are 10 1s are. 2 4s are 2 5s are. So m equal to 4 divides 5. Verification. Three into 4 by 5 equal to 5 into 4 by 5 minus 8 by 5. Here 3 4s are 12 by 5 equal to 5 4s are 20 by 5 minus 8 by 5. It is also 12 by 5. So left hand side, right hand side both are same. So it's verified. Here clearly 12 by 5 equal to 12 by 5.